What if building just one custom GPT into your program or offer could transform your entire business? Well, today I'm going to tell you my story in hopes that it inspires you. And if you don't know me, my name is Wendy Breakstone, and I'm a custom GPT and AI marketing strategist for online coaches, course creators, and service-based experts who want to add custom GPTs and AI tools into their programs and offers to sell more, support your clients 24/7, and scale faster with less burnout. So today I'm going to pull back the curtain and I'm going to share with you how I went from selling my micro audio summit system, a lead generation strategy for online coaches, to becoming a custom GPT expert, and how you can do the same, how you can start to build custom GPTs into your programs and offers today. Okay, so there I was in 2022, minding my own business, selling my micro audio summit system, and ChatGPT came on the market. And immediately I fell in love with the opportunity. I'm an early adopter, and you may be as well. So in early 2023, I started figuring out different ways that I could use AI to my advantage. And also, I wanted to help my clients get results faster in their micro audio summit production. So the first thing I did with AI was I built out a very robust marketing and business library and health and wellness library for my micro audio summit clients, who I found would always get stuck in the very beginning part, which was picking the title and the topics for their micro audio summits. And I want to show you what that looks like. So with that, the first thing I built for my clients was this very robust library. And at the time, we didn't have custom GPTs, so this was kind of like the V1. And you could see here that it gave them dozens of different niches and then topics and titles for different types of micro audio summits that they might want to be creating. And as you can see here at the time, I gave them a very simple prompt to use in ChatGPT so that they could get started on their own as well. And I also built a personal and wellness version of the library for those clients of mine that were in more of the esoteric or intangible type offers: relationships, gut health, fitness, mental health, dating, and it worked great. My clients loved this. But wouldn't you know it, in the middle of 2023, there were some software companies that were already starting to take advantage of the OpenAI ChatGPT, or large language model, API. So they started building tools that allowed us to build what is now known as like a custom GPT or an AI assistant, right? An AI tool. So I basically started building tools for the micro audio summit system that would ultimately replace the work that I had done for this particular library that I had created. But it was so worth it to be able to give each client a custom experience when they were going through their micro audio summit. So the first tool that I built was the title generator. And then I built a theme and topic generator as well, because this was where my clients were getting stuck the most. But I had a little bit of a problem, and that was when I would hop on group calls or client calls with people, I was feeling a little bit nervous about opening up these tools and letting AI help because, early on, and still there's a lot of kind of like, fuzzy areas around this, is should I be letting AI do the work? Am I not earning my keep if I let AI do it? But what happened is I thought, well, I'm going to give it a try and see what people do and see how people respond to it. And sure enough, my clients were like, how did you do that? How is that giving me the exact titles that I want? What is happening here? What is this crazy voodoo magic that you are doing? And so I'm like, okay, cool, it's working. So I ended up building a couple of more custom GPTs into the micro audio summit system. Now keep in mind, I hadn't even thought about having an offer to help other people build custom GPTs. I was just super stoked that my micro audio summit clients were getting results like so much faster, and it was removing all of those roadblocks. So here I am with my micro audio summit system. I'm going to show it to you. So now I've got this micro audio summit system. I've got all these clients that are raving about these 5 custom GPTs I built. You can see them right here. I did a summit title generator. I did a speaker and niche generator to help people kind of figure out what types of speakers and topics they wanted. Then I built a GPT called the perfect interview title, which would capture people's attention so they'd want to listen, right? And then I built 2 GPTs that wrote emails for the host to use and for the speakers to use. And by the time I was done with this, and by the time my clients started using this, I was getting incredible feedback. And I had 100% fallen in love with custom GPTs. Now, during this period of time, ChatGPT launched their custom GPTs. Remember, they ditched the app store that they were building and all those plugins, and they rolled out custom GPTs. And so I immediately rebuilt all 5 of those custom GPTs over in ChatGPT for people, because I really wanted to help people get connected with ChatGPT. So by the end of 2023, I had rebuilt my first 5 custom GPTs, and I was building other ones now for things that I needed to be faster in my own business, in my marketing. I built the email profit framework. I built the Copywriter Pro. And as 2024 rolled around, I ran my first beta program and helped others build custom GPTs. And the results were amazing. So by mid-2024, I was hooked. And now it's the middle of 2025, and I am still shouting about custom GPTs and AI tools from the rooftops. And here's why. When you build custom GPTs into your programs and offers, not only are you helping your clients get results 50 to 75% faster, yes, 50 to 75% faster. You let the GPTs do the heavy lifting, your clients get results faster. But what does that mean in terms of dollars, right? That means more renewals, more enrollments, more referrals. The people that love your programs are going to talk more about your programs. You're going to see your sales increase. You're going to see your support get so much better and clients getting to that finish line faster, right? And you're not doing more work. You're letting your custom GPTs do it. And that means that you can scale your business, create new AI income engines for yourself, and expand your profit streams. And that's really fundamentally why I'm so focused on custom GPTs, and I'm so passionate about them and want to help you use them, because there's a big AI landscape right now, and there are a lot of areas to focus on. But I fundamentally believe that as a coach, a program creator, course creator, service-based expert, if you focus in on custom GPTs and strategically put them into your programs and offers and in your own business internal workflows, you are going to make an exponentially more amount of money. So if you are interested in learning more, there's a couple ways that I want to welcome you to get connected with me. Of course, number one, leave a comment below. Make sure that you're subscribed here. But also join me over in AI Powered Business with Wendy. It's my free community on Skool. And also down below, there's a link to watch my From Prompts to Profit masterclass, which is going to give you the inside scoop. And I pull back the curtain and I give you all the behind the scenes on how I build safe, secure, and highly scalable custom GPTs. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I'll talk to you soon.